Look at this wall clock. What is the time now? Generally, the answer will be 5:10. I'm sorry, it is not correct. You observe this clock more carefully, you will find the second hand moving in anti-clockwise direction. What is it? The clock itself is moving in anti-clockwise direction. This is called as Adivasi Ghadi. I am also encountering this type of wall clock for the first time when I have visited Gujarat, Kevadia district near the Statue of Unity. This Adivasi Ghadi, the time is 10 minutes to 7. You will observe that the numbering are anti-clockwise, and similarly the reading also has to be anti-clockwise. Now it is 10 minutes to 7. That is the Adivasi Ghadi is showing, which is the correct time as per any other general wall clock we come across. Why it is so? I came to know that Adivasis are following this clock in synchronization with the rotation of the earth. Earth rotates on its axis in anti-clockwise direction. So they have devised this wall clock on the Adivasi style, and it is named as Adivasi Gadi. Thank you.